And this video basically just again continues this string of videos comparing the House and the Senate. And this is just going to kind of compare the different structure of both the Senate and the House of Reps. So remember, there's 100 senators in total. There's two per state, 50 states. Obviously, that's how we get 100. Every state is represented equally in the Senate. Originally, all the senators were appointed. They were given their jobs by the states. The people had no say. Like the senators weren't elected. This changes in 1913 with the passage of the 17th Amendment. So now senators are directly elected, just like the reps are, but it wasn't always like that. So the 17th Amendment allows citizens to vote directly. Prior to 1913, the states literally just chose who they wanted their senators to be. And again, today, our senators are Bob Casey and John Fetterman. They both happen to be Democrats. Casey lost in November of 2024. So a new senator will be taking over in 2025. All right, the House is a little bit different. There's 435 members of the House of Representatives, and again, it's based on population. So every state has to have at least one rep, but the bigger states have the most. So until 1842, we used what was called the general ticket system or the at-large voting system to elect our reps. This basically meant that the entire state would vote for all of the state's representatives. This changes after 1842. And basically now we have what's called single member district systems, where instead of the entire state voting for representatives, just people in a particular part of the state get to select your representative. And there's one representative per district. You're only able to vote for one person, the rep from your district. And the idea is that today, each district is going to have about 710,000 people in it, right? All right. So if you look, again, this is the map of Pennsylvania. Senators are elected statewide. So the entire state votes for the senators. But what we do for the reps is we divide Pennsylvania into 17 different districts. Each district, noticed by a different color on the map, gets to select a representative just from that district. So the representative has to be from that district, and only the people in that district can vote for the person. So District 4 down here is our district. Madeline Dean is our representative. People in District 15 vote for their own rep. Madeline Dean is voted out of District 4. So that's basically how the reps are chosen, which is different than how the senators are chosen.